detail. Minister in charge of Excise, Kirmen Shilla, on Monday informed that the Assam Excise Department has halted the issuance of transit passes to Meghalaya without prior communication. After holding a meeting with the State Excise Department, Shilla said this disruption is causing significant difficulties for Meghalaya government, particularly in the transportation of excise materials to Garo Hills. Shilla mentioned that the state government is taking measures to resolve the issue. Despite ongoing efforts by Meghalaya officers to seek clarification, the exact reason for the suspension of transit passes remains unclear.
When it comes to transit pass, so here what happened for us, state of Meghalaya, we need to send our materials to, especially to Garo Hills region. So in this we require the transit pass through Assam. So what happened now, I don't know for what reason they have stopped it, but they have not given us any information, the reason that they stopped. But today we take the steps. Though our officers have been trying to communicate with them, but we have not get clear pictures what's the reason behind that they stopped the transit pass. But today we try to take, we discuss and then take this initiative that will go ahead with DO letter from my end and then from the CS side, and where we will try to even coordinate at the officer side that how to solve these issues.